In this video, I'll show you how to change Cash App to auto accept. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so on your mobile device, open the Cash App, right? Log into your credentials. And for us to be able to change Cash App to auto accept payment is simply we need to hover here, right? Go to your account profile settings, go to our recurring payments, and as you can see, there's an option here wherein we can just simply click on the auto add cash. It automatically add funds to Cash App from your bank. But all right, remember, when someone sends money on Cash App, you will still receive a notification, and you still have to manually accept the payment. So this add cash is just to speed up the process. All right. The setting allows Cash App to automatically deposit receive funds to your linked bank account. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.